Cleave. To split or cut into two parts. He used an axe to cleave the wood. The strong force could cleave the rock. Clemency. Kindness shown by someone in power. The judge showed clemency in his decision. She asked for clemency from the ruler. Clergy. People who work in religious services. The clergy gathered in the church. He spoke with a member of the clergy. Debauch. To lead someone into bad behavior. He tried to debauch the young man. Bad habits can debauch a person's life. Combustion. The process of burning. Combustion happens when fuel burns. The engine works by combustion. Leniency. Being less strict or more kind. The teacher showed leniency to the student. He asked for leniency after his mistake. Manoeuvred. Moved carefully or skillfully. He maneuvered the car through traffic. She maneuvered her way out of trouble. Siege. When a place is surrounded by enemies. The city was under siege for many days. People suffered during the long siege. Ensuing. Happening next. The ensuing events shocked everyone. There was silence in the ensuing moments. Diffuse. Spread out over a wide area. Light began to diffuse in the room. The smell diffused quickly in the air. Porridge. Soft food made by cooking grains. She ate warm porridge for breakfast. The child enjoyed sweet porridge. Tamarind. A sour fruit used in food. Tamarind gives a sour taste to dishes. She added tamarind to the curry. Mince. To cut food into very small pieces. He minced the meat carefully. She minced the vegetables for cooking. Debunk. To show that something is false. The report debunked the false rumor. He tried to debunk the myth. Maiden. A young unmarried woman. The story was about a brave maiden. The maiden lived in a small village. Spinster. An older unmarried woman. She lived alone as a spinster. The character was a quiet spinster. Kinsfolk. Family members. He visited his kinsfolk in the village. Her kinsfolk gathered for the celebration. Coalesce. To come together and form one. The groups coalesced into one team. Their ideas coalesced into a strong plan. Cloying. Too sweet or too much. The dessert was cloying and too sweet. His praise felt cloying and fake. Coagulate. To become thick or solid. The blood began to coagulate quickly. The liquid started to coagulate in the heat. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.